What's up everybody, and welcome to Nerd Gadget. Today I'm going to be talking about the Supcase UB Pro and the iBlason full protection fold edition S Pen case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Now I'll be jumping right in right after this. Before I jump in, if you end up liking my content, please do me a big favor by giving this video a thumbs up and also share it out. Now, if you want to continue to receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and a notification bell button. That way you can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. Okay, now the first case that we're going to look at for the Z Fold5 is the Supcase UB Pro. All right, let's go ahead and get this open. All right, get this out of here. Pop all of this open. As you can see, this is full protection. So I'm going to remove this off first. Let's get rid of that. All right, anything on this side? You can leave that for now. All right, let's put that down here. Let's go ahead and remove this and push this to the side. All right, so first thing is first, as you can see, this is the green black one. All right, so let's go ahead and drop this in. Full hinge protection, as you can see, and it even supports holding the S Pen. All right, so this should be the S Pen from last year. So let's go ahead and pop this in just like this. That portion is in. Let's go ahead and pop the other portion in, snap that in place, move this out the way. There we go. And now we're good. All right, really nice. Got a kickstand, but let me show you what I mean by the S Pen being held in here. This is the S Pen Fold edition from last year, and it's pretty much the same as the one from the Fold3. So the Fold3 and Fold4, this is the one for the Fold5. All right, so as you can see in here, open the door, and you can drop this right inside here just like so. Pop that into place, and there you have it. You need it, just go here, put your finger here, and then pop it out, and you're good to go. All right, as you can see with this one, it's a lot smaller, so it will rattle around a lot in here. Let's give it a try though. Yeah, you see it's not even holding in place. So this is not meant for the Z Fold5 S Pen. It's meant for the OG, the one from last year and the year before. All right, again, upside down, just like so. Pop it in, good to go. Let's take a look at the cutouts there. Full protection. You have button access right there, volume rocker, power button, and a fingerprint reader. All right, nice full protection and nice grip to it. Kickstand here. Oh, open it this way. There you go. All right, so that's gonna, actually I'm gonna remove this off because it's killing beauty. So there you have it. Again, kickstand. If I open this up, all right, got the kickstand working that way. And you can also, with this case, you can stand it up like so. All right, so if you want to view it this way, you can do so. As you see, fingerprint reader is working just fine. All right, and same thing if it's closed, opens just fine. All right, what else you can see? This is covered and protected. All the cutouts at the top and at the bottom. Now, last but not least, let's see if wireless charging works with this case. All right. As you can see, it definitely works with wireless charging. Let's check out the next case. Next, we have a case by iBlason for the Z Fold5. Let's check this one out. All right, let's get all this out of here. Again, this is for protection as well, as you can see. And it also holds the S Pen Fold edition, again, the OG one, not the new one. All right, so S Pen for the Z Fold 3 and Z Fold 4. Fingerprint works just well. You can see the cutout there. Has a kickstand as well. Same deal, so no need for me to open it up, but actually I'll just open it up so you can see kickstand. All right, S Pen holder, upside down again, just like so. Pop that in there, it's good to go. You need it, finger goes here, pop it, just like so, and it's ready to go. All right, got your top cutouts there, volume rocker, fingerprint reader. All right, works really good. Bottom cutouts, and you can see again, this has the full protection with the screen protector. All right, opens up really nice, and again, a nice case with hinge protection, full protection for the Z Fold5. Let's check out. As you can see, it works with wireless charging. All right, all in all, very nice case by iBlason. Now, if you're interested in any one of these cases, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of my video. And this completes my review for the Supcase UB Pro and iBlason case.